Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So we had a bit of a corrective move to the upside. I currently still think that this was just a wave 4, but it has to be counted now as a diagonal to the downside, basically an ending diagonal, because we had an overlap between wave 1 and wave 4. And with Solana, honestly, I can keep it very simple. Yeah, as long as the price remains below $39, I expect another low. Yeah, in the region between $19 and $22. That's very simply put what I expect, and I think we're going to see this. Yeah, at least as long as we stay below $39, because this is a level where we at least can explore more bullish options if we break above this level. Below this level, there is a lot of downside pressure on this chart, and corrective bounces are always possible, and at some point you will get the bounce that will take us out of here. But here again, Solana is one of the charts until I see a clear signal. I'm not going to do anything with it, because there are just a lot of charts that are still looking and digging for another low, and Solana is one of them. Yeah, it's not guaranteed to work out that additional low, but again, then we are still in this descending broadening wedge. We are still below the 50-day moving average. We are still below the high of the previous wave 4, which is at 34.50. And all of these things, are just putting a lot of downside pressure on the chart. Yesterday I showed you the 20-day moving average that sits even closer and puts even more pressure on it. And then the EMA ribbon, if I add that to the chart, but I just need to go to the 4-hour chart. You can see here how clearly the price, when it tried to spike yesterday, again, it was just a fake out again. It didn't even push the EMA ribbon through the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour, got rejected, and is now below the EMA ribbon again. So all of this is just not really a bullish sign. I mean, on the daily, we are far away from the EMA ribbon on the daily. Yeah, this only ends at 32.40. I mean, already a move above that would be a potentially bullish signal. But again, at the moment, there is nothing. We're rather moving down in a channel, or you could even call it a descending wedge. There's two different ways of drawing this. I think here, this is really a broadening wedge, or here, highlighted with a dotted line, more like a channel. Okay, so it's pushing down. As long as we are following this channel, we expect lower lows, and even if we break above that channel, for me the point is, as long as we stay below that $39 level, lower lows are expected. It's a very important level. Yeah, and there's different ways of counting it, but for me, I decided to count the move from the June low all the way up to this high at $48 as a corrective wave, a wave 4, which is now moving into, or moved into, the 5th wave to the downside. That 5th wave can end the bear market. It certainly has the potential to do so, but first of all, we need to see 5 waves down. At the moment, my view is we haven't seen those 5 waves yet. I think we've seen a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 as a triangle, and the 5th wave is coming down now. And this is playing out in this descending wedge, right? Which is generally, you would say, it's maybe a bullish pattern, because the downtrend is generally slowing down in such a wedge, which sort of is the case also in an ending diagonal, which is basically the same thing. But again, until we have the evidence that there is a breakout, we are going to focus on lower. So I really just wanted to highlight here my opinion. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.